Hi boss, welcome back to Crypto Trader. We are currently in daily time frame and trying to find out any possible trading opportunities in GBP USD currency pair today. As you can see that we are in a clear downtrend and currently the price is going through a pullback phase. Now let's draw our trend path. This is our high, low, high, low, high, low, high, and this is our most recent low. If you are watching my videos regularly, you already know that the most recent swing high and the previous swing low are the two possible resistance level for the price in a pullback phase of a downtrend. And you see the as soon as the price touched this first resistance level yesterday, it got immediate rejection from the top here. And today's daily candle is also struggling to go up. Now let's drop down to 4H or 1H time frame to find out our entry point in the current market situation. We are in 4H time frame now. Well, the only valid selling reason for me today would be a double top. Let the price come back up to retest this level as a possible resistance level once again. And if the price gets rejection from the top again here, as you can see in this candle, then this would be our possible entry point for a short trade with a stop loss just above this double top. Now let's suppose the price did not go back up and continue its downward direction right from here. I would say that let the price complete 1, 2, and 3 move. Look for your short entry on the pullback or at this level. Another possible scenario could be that this is the major area of values in the 4H time frame. As you can see that it has been respected by the price multiple times, and it can provide a possible support to the price. Once the price reach into this zone, then we might see the price continue this bullish momentum, and the price can get possible support at this level and continue its upward direction journey. So in this case, this resistance level will not be a resistance level for the price, and we can see a new higher high very soon. So you can find a long position here at this possible support level in 4H time frame only if the price do not go back up to retest this level as a possible double top. This is all for GBP USD analysis today. Well, you can do your own research and do not consider it a financial advice. Good luck. Happy trading.